In this latest video in the Online Writing Courses Exposed series, we dive behind the scenes of AWAI's accelerated program for six-figure copywriting and take a detailed look at part 3 of the course. Hi, I'm Les Blythe, and in this video we're going to go behind the scenes of AWAI's accelerated program for six-figure copywriting and take a detailed look at what you can expect in part 3 of the course. We'll have a detailed look at the content. Now remember to watch the end of the video because I've got a couple of bonuses I want to put you away, absolutely free of charge, nothing to pay, so hang on to the end. With that said, let's dive in and have a look at part 3 of AWAI's industry-leading copywriting course. Okay guys, we're back inside the accelerated program for six-figure copywriting in my members area, and in previous videos we've looked at the welcome in part 1 and part 2. In this video I specifically want to look at part 3, so let's launch that and have a dig in there and see what's in there for you. Just let that load up. I think you're going to see there's an awful lot of content inside this particular part of the course. Here we are. As usual, the thing is in a magazine form, which is really nice. If I open this up, here's the contents here. You can see, this is full of information in terms of copywriting and what you should know. The nice thing here is talking about what you should know is they look back and give you a quick review of what you've done up to this point. The myth of you, 2 powerful principles of selling revealed. They go into some of the myths of copywriting. They talk about the emotional side of copywriting. Copywriting is very much about playing with emotions and putting emotion into your writing. So you'll see here there's a whole raft of stuff inside part 3. So let's, as we always do, let's pick one to have a look at. This is very relevant because sales copy for the web is a huge thing at the moment. So this is something you learn inside here, which is going to stand you in really, really good stead. This is Rebecca Matter. She's one of the founders of AWAI. And this is looking at the unique marketplace, which is the web. So if you guys get writing for the web, there's a lot of money to be made there. So they go into the differences of web writing. This is something that I do. A lot of the writing I do is actually for the web. I do a lot of websites and I do blog posts and things of that nature. And as you probably know by now, I'm making up to about $125 an hour. So yeah, it certainly can be lucrative. So that kind of gives you an idea of what's inside module 3. If I go back to home, which is the start of the magazine again, the lead, sinking the hook into your prospect, all the kind of things that you're going to need to know to become a successful copywriter and earn the kind of money that I earn online. And bear in mind, guys, this is working from home, from the comfort of your own home, no boss, no hassle. Working with clients you want to work with and making, what can be some really, really good money. Okay, so that's it for part 3. I just wanted to show you what's inside there. In the next video, I'll look at part 4, but that's it as far as this goes for part 3. Okay, guys, that's it for this part 3 of the AWAI Accelerated Program for Six-Figure Copywriting. I hope you found that really useful and interesting. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, like the video, and perhaps consider sharing it around so it can help other people who might be interested in the content. Also remember to like and subscribe so that when I bring out more copywriting tips and content, I know where to send them. Okay, that's about it. Just to remind you, as promised at the start, just look below this video, you'll find a link to your bonuses. Go grab them now. I think they're really going to help you. You'll find out more information also about the course in the bonuses, but as I say, all of that is below the video. So that's it for this part, guys. Look out for the next video where I'll be looking at part 4 of the course. Look forward to seeing you then. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.